So she's the ED of the company, and she's the one that manages so many things that we do here. So,
okay, thank you so much. I think I met you guys physically on Wednesday when I came to do the presentation, and it's good to have you here in our office. I was actually watching you guys from the US during the day you were doing the tax, because I just came back some few weeks ago. I was locked down in the US during the COVID, so I watched you all through, and you know it was so beautiful because everybody was seeing you guys from everywhere in the world. And when we were watching Big Brother, so that's this cable network we use in the US, like gives us access to African Magic, to the multi-choice channels. So people were calling me from everywhere, you know, to like, I'm seeing you, and I was so proud, you know, that I could see you guys and I'm seeing you physically. So thank you so much. And we, of course, we enjoyed the way you did the tax. That day our phone blew. The day you had our tax in the house, trust me, it blew. Everybody was from the track you were wearing, and people were like, they love that track. Yes, you know, people were like, oh, I need it. I need one. Can you give me one? Even if I'm not working in Revolution Plus, I just want to have it because it's beautiful. And so you guys really brought it out, and you did the tax so well, and we're really so impressed. So thank you very much. So we're going to make the presentation, and of course we have 2 winners. Originally we thought it was going to be one team that was going to win, but it ended up being 2 teams. So we had to make the gift twice now because it's 2 teams that won the tax. So we're going to make 2 teams, and then of course, like Nengi was saying before, she was pulling her legs and saying that she's going to be brand ambassador. She was really that she's going to be brand ambassador. So I don't know. No, she was telling Nengi.
Yes.
So maybe I should allow you to have
while they are working in now, I just we have plans to make about 2 or 3 of you our ambassadors from today. I think we deserve that applause for that. Revolution Plus Property right now have 3 ambassadors. Bbnaija Laycon is one of our ambassadors. We love him. He loves him. Then Omoni is still an ambassador. She just finished her contract, and we are still working together. Then Tony Abrams. And there's one that is a gospel artist that I might not know very well, Testimony Jaga. Is one of our ambassadors. So we are thinking of working with the management and my wife and the staff. We love you. Our president, I like So we're thinking of making 2 or 3 of you our influencers. So I don't know if, because I was telling Laycon, I said once you are done there, we go to my office and make that one private. I don't think it should be to the full year, whatever amount you are giving them, everything should be private. But what I'm thinking sincerely as they walked in, they are thinking of 2 people before, but there are 4. Why not just make the 4 of you our ambassador? That's 50%. The 5 of you. So the 5 of you are our ambassadors. You know why? Because you have your own followers, you have your own lovers, you have people that will listen to you. When you post something, they may not listen to you, to Laycon, when Laycon talks. But when you do it, they talk to you. You understand? So you have your own contact, your own space. Yeah. That's what I'm thinking of, making the 5 of you.
It's very though, man.
How do you know she's going?
Guys, she announced today. My baby is a brand ambassador. That's actually just.
Okay, you're welcome to Revolution Plus Property, where we do affordable housing, and we're so glad to have you on board. So here is the Managing Director / CEO of Revolution Plus Property, and then the executive director of this representative company. So, as we're going to start now, the MD is going to address us. We are here for cash presentation for the tax reward during your time in the house. So please.
Okay, thank you so very much. I'm so delighted to see the guys I've been seeing on the screen for like 3 months.
Yes, 3 months.
Yes, you guys did so well, and everybody is a winner. And every one of you did so well. Dorothy, how are you?
Very well, sir.
Every one of you did so well. In our task particularly, I love the way you guys handled it. I love the way you did well. And I could see some innovations that you guys put to it. So congratulations. In Revolution Plus Property, we do affordable luxury and affordable housing. And congratulations once again for winning our 2-bedroom apartments on the island. It's a beautiful place. I'm sure you love it. Let's try it. The youngest and the hottest landlord in town. It's a big one. I know what so many of your fans.
They said they want
house in that estate. They are calling us. They want house. So I'm thinking of because of you. Let's just open up the estate for them to come because they want to be your neighbor. So that when they wake up, they'll be seeing their president. I think that's fantastic. That's congratulations. So it's an opportunity. We partner with Big Brother for specific reasons. For us, it's brand visibility because I saw some people ask, why are you partnering with Big Brother? For us, I tell everybody it's brand visibility. Simple. It's a business strategy for us. And I can tell you that partnership has worked like magic. It has made us proud, and we're also telling them we are able to do so much more. So bringing you guys to come and know our office. We have another office on the island in Lekki, but we are mostly here every Monday. So you are welcome. You have no Revolution Plus now. That's your #1 meal for your house. In case you want to get a house, anybody, any of your family members, we give you good discount. We have houses everywhere. We have in Abuja, we have in Lagos, about 20 houses are projects in Lagos. We have in Ibadan, we have in Abuja, we have in Port Harcourt. So we are everywhere.
Yeah, that's true.
So congratulations. I will leave some little space for the ED. That's Mrs. Bbnaija. She's my wife, and she's the executive director of the company. So she's the ED of the company, and she's the one that manages so many things that we do here. So.
Okay, thank you so much. I think I met you guys physically on Wednesday when I came to do the presentation, and it's good to have you here in our office. I was actually watching you guys from the US during the day you were doing the tax, because I just came back some few weeks ago. I was locked down in the US during the COVID, so I watched you all through, and you know it was so beautiful because everybody was seeing you guys from everywhere in the world. When we were watching Big Brother, so that's this cable network we use in the US, like gives us access to African Magic, to the multi-choice channels. So people were calling me from everywhere, you know, to like, I'm seeing you, and I was so proud, you know, that I could see you guys.
Whatever amount you are giving them, everything should be private. But what I'm thinking sincerely as they walked in, we are thinking of 2 people before, but there are 4. Why not just make the 4 of you our ambassador? That's 50%. The 5 of you. So the 5 of you are our ambassadors. You know why? Because you have your own followers, you have your own lovers, you have people that will listen to you. When you post something V, they may not listen to you, to Laycon, when Laycon talks. But when you do it, they talk to you. You understand? Yeah. So you have your own contact, your own space. Yeah. That's why we're thinking of making the 5 of you our influencers. So we are going to go in now in my office, we look at the terms of contract, we look at it, then we can, because we are so busy, we don't want you to come back and I just sign it to you. And once it's okay, then we move on. We are looking at Laycon and Nengi before, and V, because V is Laycon's friend. I watch you, and I watch that dance with you.
We're always looking forward to the dance.
That's how they dance.
Yes.
It's mad. But right now, we want 5 of you so that I can use your space to push us to the world. We want to be in the world. When you are thinking of any brand concerning housing, we want your thought to be Revolution Plus first.
Yes.
Before any other person. So congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, our gift was, the winner was supposed to go, the winning team was supposed to go with 1 million naira. But like I said, we had 2 teams, so it became 2 million naira because of 2 teams. And so we know that you have 4 people per team, so we actually shared it. That's 8 people, we shared the 2 million naira. You said what?
How many of you are in the teams? I know the teams, there are 2 teams. Okay, you guys are.
So the ones that are not here will get yes. So we're correct? Are we correct? Yes. So the 5 of you are part of the 8, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll make the 5.
Okay,
so we'll give 10 to 3 to the rest.
So one by one, let the president come first. Let the winner come. We will open it so that people will not rush you. You will not think we're giving you 10 million naira. You know, people, you know you are a big boy now.
Dorathy. Nengi. Thank you so much.
I thought Nengi was fair. But I can see her live now, she's white.
New.
This speaks Queen's English. So I want you to use that your Queen's English to bring customers. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, so we'll go in and then we'll discuss about the brand differences. And then we have, of course, we have our corporate gifts, and then we have some things that, you know, we package.
Nice packages for
Yeah. Yes. So
I'm all for that.
we are also very ready for you.
can you bring it to the office?
So you will inside the office we have exchange contacts. So you need to get across to and talk to you directly. Danny, AG, myself. So let's go in. I don't think that's